Hello guys, this is Zagros. In this video I wanna explain about Tezos and Neo. Please start now subscribing and clicking the bell. You don't miss anything. Tezos XTZ. What is the Tezos? Tezos is a blockchain network linked digital token. Tez are not mining based and rely on a proof of stake mechanism. Tezos had a highly successful ICO, but it was followed by lawsuit and price declines. The price of Tez reached record highs in early 2020, leading to renewed speculation about its future investment potential. Understanding Tezos. Like Bitcoin and Ethereum, Tezos is a decentralized ledger that makes use of blockchain technology. Like Ethereum, Tezos is designed to make use of smart contracts. The term Tezos is ancient Greek for smart contract according to the developers. However, Tezos goes beyond previous offerings. It takes the smart contract concept one step further by letting participants directly control the rules of the network. How Tezos is different? One of the distinguishing elements of Tezos is its governance. Most early blockchain rely on development teams and mining communities to formulate new design choices. However, Tezos attempts to build the decision-making process into the network of users itself. As a result of this system, Tezos creates incentives for user participation in the core development process that democratizes the development process and decentralizes maintenance. Concern about Tezos. With a powerful and flexible network, its core, Tezos drew massive attention in its initial coin offering. The ICO began on July 1, 2017. It went on to earn $232 million, making it one of the largest ICOs of all time. The future of Tezos was once again looking bright in February 2020, though the rapid rise in the price of Tez suggests caution in the short term. Record highs resolve some problems. In particular, all those who want their money back could simply sell their Tez on the market for a profit. More importantly, Tezos proved its staying power by surviving in the bear market and reaching new highs. As cryptocurrency skeptic Warren Buffett once put it, only when the tide goes out do you discover who's been swimming naked. It seems that Tezos is better suited to the future than many believe. However, ultimate fate of Tezos will depend on the value of its technological innovations and its ability to gain support. What is Neo? It is a blockchain-based platform that supports its own cryptocurrency and enables the development of digital assets and smart contracts. In that respect, it resembles the US-based Ethereum blockchain network. Digital equivalents on the Neo platform. Assets can be easily digitized on the Neo blockchain in the open, decentralized, trustworthy, traceable, and transparent manner that is free of intermediaries and their cost. Users are able to record, buy, sell, exchange, or circulate various kinds of assets. The Neo platform allows for linking the physical assets with an equivalent and unique digital avatar on its network. Also supports the protection of assets. Focus on regulatory compliance. Neo maintains a clear distinction from other standard blockchain platforms. Its focus on being regulatory compliant. While digitized assets and smart contracts are popular on their blockchain platforms like Ethereum, the third key feature of what it calls its digital identity separates Neo from the rest. How Neo and on-chain differ? Neo and on-chain are separate entities that exist independently and neither owns the other. Neo targets the business to consumer B2C segment where the C can refer to customer or even community, while on-chain focus on business to business B2P enterprise services. A solution for China. The Neo platform acts as the foundation on-chain's DNA concept. Neo provides decentralized public blockchain while on-chain's DNA fills the need private blockchains. Linking this system may enable the best of both worlds. Thank you very much for watching. I do hope you enjoyed the video and I hope to see you for the next time. Bye for now.